Thank you, Ms. Rachel May Arsena, for presenting the review of related literature.
Good day, everyone. I am Kimberly C. Villagrescia from BTVTED FSM 3A, and I am going to discuss about the Chapter 3 on methodology. So we decided to conduct our study at Barangay Alta Vista, Pinserga, Ormoc City, Leyte, since it was convenient for us for our experiment or research and goes for the selected respondents too. For our number of respondents, we only have 5 respondents. So for our research instrument, is we use the qualitative research under the descriptive design, of course, because it was easy for us to utilize the details on what are or is our product, for where it is going to be conducted, and for when is the specific date, and lastly is for why and why we choose that specific product for our research study. Next is we have the data gathering procedure. Here we have asking questions and scoring sheets. So we use the survey method by asking the respondents some few questions regarding on the product, which is the vegetable nuggets and the spicy mango puree, and provided them with scoring sheets for them to answer based on the respondents' responses towards the product. So for the methods of scoring and analysis, we have the descriptive test and the acceptability test. So we use the descriptive test and acceptability test so that in which it was easier for us to evaluate the vegetable nuggets with spicy mango puree or the products score sheets from the respondents who answered in order to quantify specific sensory attributes in terms of for the appearance, the flavor, texture, and the aftertaste, since we are trying to find out whether our products is marketable. And lastly, we have the treatment analysis. So here we use the one-way variance analysis, or also known as ANOVA, and the statistical package for social science. So we use here the one-way variance ANOVA. This is we were able to understand or determine the responses of the different groups on which the null hypothesis for the test, that means whether the groups are equal or not, or different or not. So in statistics, one-way analysis or variance, we use this technique in order for us to compare whether the two samples' means are significantly different or not. For SPSS, or also known as Statistical Package for Social Science, we have also used the SPSS software for and imported our raw data analysis, which was very helpful for us on our survey, in which it helped us examine the patterns or meaning from the variations they have tested on which is more qualified and acceptable as well as marketable. So that is all for my report. Thank you for listening.